Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use the document scanner app. First you have to download this app. To download this app, just open your Play Store. In the Play Store you will type document scanner. When you type document scanner and search for it, these are the list of applications you will get. From here you will choose this document scanner that is listed on number 3 in the list, document scanner. Once you click on it, it will show you the option of install. Click on the install option and wait for the download. When this app gets downloaded on your phone, it will show an option for opening the app. Just click on this option to open the app, and it will ask you to give certain access regarding photos and medias that are present on your phone. You have to allow them. You have no other option if you want to use this app. Just allow these options. Moving on, this is the first screen of the app, startup screen. Skip this also, click on done, and this is the home page of the app that will appear in front of you. Now here you can find two options there at the bottom in blue color. One is the camera option, other one is the gallery option. Most of you are using the gallery option to use those images which you have captured of your answer sheet. I'll suggest you to use this camera option. By using this camera option, you can directly click the pictures of the answer sheet which you are sending to the teachers. When you click on this camera button that is located at the bottom right corner of your screen in blue color, I mean it's highlighted by blue color, it's actually in white color. Just click on this camera option. When you click on this option, a camera app will open up in this app. Sub camera app will open under this document scanner app, and it will be similar to your camera app which you use in your phone. You can just click on this camera button and it will capture an image for you. Just click the image of the answer sheet, like I am here clicking the image of a map of India. Once I click on this camera option, it will click an image with the highlighted boundary. I can choose the part of the image which I want to scan. I can crop rest of the part. This is the main feature of the document scanner app. You can remove the unwanted part of the picture. Just select the portion of the answer sheet you want to send to the teacher. The filter option, I'll suggest you to keep it as color over there. There are certain other options, so I'll suggest you to move on with the same color option. Click on continue. When you click on continue, see, it will again go back to that camera app so that you can take the second picture of the second page of your answer sheet, and it will show the first captured image at the bottom left corner of your mobile screen. Over here it's showing an image of the Indian map, you can see at the bottom, and it's numbered as 1 because this was the first picture which you have taken. Now when you click this second image, click on the camera option, select the portion which you want to send and click on continue. So you will see now that 1 will change to 2 at the bottom. Now we have captured 2 pictures. That means we have captured 2 pages of our answer sheet. Suppose we are done with, we have only 2 pages and we are done with it. We have captured the 2 pages. Click on the stick option. When you click on this tick option, it will merge those two pictures into a single PDF and it will open like this. See, this is the scanned picture which I have scanned first, and at the bottom it's showing 1/2, that is first picture of the two picture which are in the document file. Now you can also edit this picture. Edit option is there at the bottom menu. If you click on edit option, like I'm editing this second image, I'll click on edit. These are the various options which I'll get. If you want to use any of the option from this list, just use rotate. Suppose you have captured an image in the landscape mode and you want it in the portrait mode, so just use rotate. No need to use any other option that is available in the list. See, you can rotate the image. I have done it for you. I just move it back to the original one. Fine. When we are done, we will click on this tick option over here, and it will start saving our document. Once the document is saved, we will simply click on share option, that is at the bottom of your screen. When you click on share option, it will show a pop-up like this: share this file only or share the entire document. So you have to share the entire document because it contains all the images of your answer sheet. Share the entire document, you will use from here. Share the entire document, and share as PDF because you are supposed to send the answer sheets as PDF. So share as portable document format, that is PDF. When you click on this share as PDF option, it will give you the list of various options via which you can share your PDF. So you will choose the WhatsApp and select the contact of your teacher, contact number of your teacher, and that PDF will be shared with the teacher. So this is the way by which you can use the document scanner app and share your answer sheets or any other document with anyone you want to share. This is the home screen again, and you can see it is showing new doc 1 that is created today only, and you can keep a record of all your answer sheets here. And if a teacher wants you to reshare them, you can reshare them. You can keep that record for your future use also. It's up to you. Fine. So this is how we can use this document scanner app. I hope you have understood the video, and now you will use this app to send your answer sheets. Thank you so much for watching this video.